There's a lot of great evidence for the prosecution to highlight. Among it is the internet dating site postings, "Will you visit me in prison?" Shows this defendant contemplated the crime, knew he would be punished, wanted to have some sort of relationship while he was in prison. That's not a good moment for the defense. Further, that notebook shows that he contemplated various forms of murder. And then when he asked about the children, again, even though it shows his humanity, it may be what sinks him, because it's pretty good evidence that he knew right from wrong.
After 2.5 months of this trial, the defense is going to point to one thing in this case, one single thing that has been sitting there the entire time during the 2.5 months, and that is James Holmes. He's been sitting there in the courtroom as a catatonic, medicated individual that is seriously mentally ill. And they're going to point to him, they're going to bring him into the fold of their closing argument as much as they can, because he is their best case.
Closing argument is a summation. It's a chance to put the story in the best light of the prosecution.
If he is found to be insane by a jury, there's no celebration that's going to happen. The defense is not going to celebrate. Mr. Holmes is not going to celebrate. His family is not going to celebrate. He's going to spend the rest of his life locked up in what is very similar to a prison, but it happens to be called the Colorado Mental Health Institution in Pueblo for the rest of his life.